In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play music while playing Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left or the avatar icon given at the top left. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option Settings. Once you're here, click on the option Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now navigate to the option Communication. In this section, make sure voice chat is turned off as it can sometimes interfere with background audio. Next, join any Roblox game you want to play. Now open your music app and start playing your favorite song. When you return to Roblox, you may notice the music pauses automatically. Even if you try restarting it from the control center, it might stop again because Roblox can override background audio. To fix this, use headphones that have built-in playback controls. These usually have a play and pause button on them. When your music pauses, simply press the button on your headphones to resume playback. This way the music keeps playing without getting interrupted by Roblox. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.